Imagine two people. One earns $3,000 a month. The other earns $1,000. Who do you think becomes financially free first? Most people say the one earning more. But that's wrong, because wealth is not built by income. It's built by behavior. There was a man named Daniel. Every month he promised himself, next month, I'll start saving seriously. But next month never came. More income, more spending. New phone, better clothes, food delivery. Subscriptions he barely used at the end of the month. Zero. Not because he was poor, but because he had no system. One day, Daniel heard about something simple, the 1% rule. Save just 1% of your income. That's it. If you earn $1,000, give save $10. If you earn $500, give save $5. It felt stupidly small. He almost ignored it. But then he thought, if I can't save 1%, how will I save 20%? So, read Italiano. Something interesting happened. That $10 wasn't life-changing. But the feeling was. For the first time, he didn't spend everything. For the first time, he ended the month in control. Saving 1% changed something deeper than his bank account. It changed his identity. He stopped seeing himself as someone who can't save. He became someone who does. Momentum builds next month, 1%. Again, 3 months later, 2%. 6 months later, 3%. Not because he earned more, because discipline grew. And here's the truth most people ignore. Habits grow faster than income. Most people try to change their life in one day. They say, I'll stop spending. I'll save 30%. I'll completely change. And they fail. Why? Because big change scares the brain. But 1%, the brain doesn't resist it. It feels safe, and that's why it works. After 1 year, Daniel didn't become rich, but he became dangerous. He had asterisk emergency. Money asterisk confidence. Asterisk control. Asterisk control asterisk. Financial awareness. He no longer panicked before payday. He no longer feared small problems. Because now, he had a cushion, and confidence is more powerful than cash. The rich don't win because they earn more. They win because they master small habits. 1% daily discipline beats 100% motivation. Motivation fades. Habits stay. You don't need a new job. You don't need luck. You don't need a miracle. You need 1%. 1%. Today, 1% tomorrow, and 1 year from now. You won't just have more money. You'll have more control. And control is the first step to freedom. And control is the first step to freedom.